The life of a Formula One driver. It can be pretty lonely at times. When I'm not racing, that can be especially tough. Winding down can be difficult. It's really quiet without the team around.
Hi, this is Toto. Please leave a message after the beep.
But I do my best to keep busy. It's the little things. Stepping out onto the track, the crowds lining the circuit, and hearing the engine fire up for the first time. I miss the attention to detail, the precision, the pit stops, the pressure. Really, I just miss racing. Being behind the wheel of the fastest machines on the planet. It's just a shame not to have anyone to share it with. I can't wait to be around my team again, doing what I love. But for now, I guess this isn't too bad.